So back here on the road, we're in Solignano, and if my face looks a little red, it's because we just came up a climb, 2.4 kilometers up the side of the hill with 18 corners. Yeah, you can join the dots on that one. Great little climb. But something which is truly Italian here for cyclists. We get to the top of the climb. Right in behind me here is a water station. Water station is ice cold water that is free. If you want the frizzante with gas, nice little bubbles in it, that's going to cost you 5 cents a litre. Perfect. Only in Italia. Once again, we're out here on the road in the Romagna. Wonderful riding. Check back in, follow some more videos with us. Ciao.